Sheikh, when I was in 10th grade, me and one Pakistani friend and one white friend used to sit, not really friend, but just know. So me and Pakistani guy used to talk in Urdu, and maybe he used to feel left out. So he used to sometimes, I think 2 times, make fun of my accent. So one day I was also teasing him, it was Ramadan, so I said, why are you not fasting, man? So Sheikh, then one day he made fun of my accent, this is second time. I got, I think I got angry maybe. So then I got the opportunity, he said he plays football. Then unfortunately I said, doesn't look like it. Then 2, 3 kids laughed, but now I regret it, Sheikh, but he's not really, meaning, there's no relation. He doesn't really see me often. It's not because we're enemy or anything, just normally. So Sheikh, should I go to him and say sorry?
The answer is no. You should not go to him and apologize because you have not done anything that is wrong other than speaking in a different language in the presence of a third, even if he's a kafir and he does not understand. You are committing a sin by speaking privately without him knowing what you guys are speaking about, nor seeking his permission up front. But other than that, no, you do not go to apologize, just move on and don't repeat these mistakes or making fun of people again.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So Sheikh, my question is related to Aitikaf. So during the Aitikaf, can I check my university work and upload some assignments online during Aitikaf? As all the information of the day comes in WhatsApp, and can I talk to my friend related to the college on call?
All of what you've mentioned, Aman, is permissible, but it is not recommended. The purpose of Aitikaf, and Aitikaf for those who do not understand, is to seclude oneself in a masjid on the last 10 nights of Ramadan and stay there to worship Allah and to remember Allah. This is called Aitikaf, and it is a prophetic sunnah that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform. So the Muslims usually on the last 10 nights of Ramadan, they go after the sunset of the 20th of Ramadan and they seclude themselves in the masjid. They sit, take a corner and have the mattresses and their needed stuff, and they just sit there reading the Qur'an, remembering Allah, offering prayers and the likes. Whatever you do is fine. There's nothing haram in it. So if you check your assignments or you check your university grades and you study, if you speak with others normally, that's fine. But the more you do that, the lesser your reward would be, and Allah knows best.